Are you looking for an easy jalapeno stuffed bacon wrap roll with a prep time of less than 15 minutes? You guys are gonna like this. Let's go get it prepped. Guys, I use this 93% lean ground turkey, 3 pounds, 2 packets of the McCormick Chipotle seasoning, a little olive oil. You guys can use red meat. I wouldn't go anything less than 85% lean.
No 50-50.
Go ahead and mix that up. Cream cheese, jalapenos for the filling. It looks good already. Now for the bacon weave, I put 6 strips down. This is the tricky part. Over, under, over, under. And I continue that all the way down till I have my weave. I like this Black Label bacon. If you guys could, drop me a comment. Let me know what your favorite bacon is. Now that we have our weave, we'll just put the turkey on top of that. If you had a rolling pin, you could roll that out. I don't have one. I really don't bake cookies too much. And put the cream cheese filling in. Add mozzarella. And let's roll this thing up. Since we're going to be maintaining a grill temp of 300 degrees, I'm only going to fill this up halfway. As always, we'll be using indirect heat. That looks good. Let's get them out. I have 5 chunks in here. I use hickory. You guys can use whatever you want. Check back in. Probably an hour and 20 minutes. Guys, so I flipped this over and I probably should have put this butcher twine on before I rolled it up. It's alright, we'll get it nice and tight. That way when we're moving it, it stays together. But always safety first when using the grill. That should be good. All my hair's intact. We've been maintaining the grill temp around 300 degrees. This has been on for 2 hours now. We're at 135 degrees, so I'm gonna add a few more wood chunks, let this ride out. Depending on how you like your bacon, you may need to rotate this end to end. And if you guys are liking this content, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. This has been on for 3 hours and it's time to get this thing off. Internal temp, 165 degrees. Man, that's looking good. Oh, I think you guys are gonna like this. Let's get this in, see what it looks like. Oh, the smells are amazing. I think you guys are really gonna like this. I think it'll be good. You could put it on a sandwich. It definitely looks like we got what we want. Let's enjoy it.